Are you dreaming of a small log cabin that's perfect for a getaway, a cozy starter home, or even an Airbnb? This 28 by 28 log cabin kit is just what you've been looking for. With 784 square feet of space, this kit gives you the flexibility to create a 1 or 2 bedroom design. The open floor plan and cathedral-style ceiling bring in natural light, making it feel spacious and inviting. You'll love the ability to make it your own with customizable log profiles to match your style. These kits are only available when our supplier has overstock, and they go fast. Don't wait too long. Availability is limited, and these cabins are in high demand. Whether you're planning a weekend retreat, a peaceful retirement, or a rental property, this log cabin kit is ready to bring your dream to life. Contact us today to check availability. But hurry, they won't last long. Start your log cabin journey now.